In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Notion cover photos. If you've ever wanted your Notion pages to look more polished or reflect the personality of your workspace, adding a cover photo is one of the fastest and easiest ways to do it. I'll walk you through the simple process, explain what to expect on each screen, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident choosing a cover that looks great. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once the site is open, head to the page you want to customize. This could be a personal dashboard, a project hub, a reading list, anything you'd like to make more visually engaging. On your page, look near the top area of the header. You'll see an option that says Add Cover. Go ahead and click it. Notion will immediately place a default cover image at the top of your page, giving you a quick preview of how a cover changes the overall feel of the layout. This makes your page more recognizable at a glance and adds a clear visual anchor. Now, if you want to pick something that better matches your content or style, simply click Change Cover. This opens up a selection area where you can browse and choose a new image. Take a moment to scroll through and look for a photo or illustration that complements the tone of your page, calming landscapes for planning pages, bold colors for creative boards, or something minimal for a clean, focused workspace. The key is to choose an image that supports the purpose of the page rather than distracts from it. As you preview options, keep readability in mind. High contrast images help page titles stand out, and simpler backgrounds often make text easier to see. If your page title is long, try selecting an image that isn't too busy so the header remains clear and professional. Once you find a cover you like, select it and let Notion apply the change. You'll see the header update right away, so you can instantly judge whether it fits. If the vibe isn't quite right, no worries. Click Change Cover again and try another option until it feels just right. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, open your page, click Add Cover, and when you're ready to explore different looks, click Change Cover and choose the one you like. With just a few clicks, your page transforms from plain to polished, making it easier to navigate and more enjoyable to use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy personalizing your Notion workspace.